Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Carlos, and today, December 24th of 2021, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanted to create a sculpture related to Christmas. I wasn't sure what to do, and I just wanted to also, now it has been a while that I wanted to do a gingerbread. So I'm bringing you a scene from one of my favorite movies, Shrek, and I know now that I'm thinking it's not really the best scene because the poor guy is it's not really treated really well, but it's really funny. And I remember being a kid and watching it with my family, and it's just we couldn't stop laughing throughout the whole movie, not only that scene. And it's just that joy that remembering. That's why I chose this scene. So I hope you like it and enjoy. It has been a long year, and I just want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Hopefully, you can spend it with the family, with friends, with just someone, and share this day. And remember to enjoy art, create your own, and see you next time.